May June 2023, variant is 5 1. First question is from representation of data. A summary of 50 values of x gives summation x minus q is equal to 700. Summation x minus q whole square is equal to 14235. The data is given in summarized form where q is a constant. Q is a constant. Part A of this question, find the standard deviation of these values of x. Find the standard deviation of these values of x. We will solve this question by a substitution. A suitable substitution will be used in this question. Summation, a summary of 50 values mean number of observations in this question are 50. We represent it by n. So n is equal to number of observations 50. These are the equations. Summation x minus q is equal to 700 and summation x minus q whole square is equal to 14235. We will use a suitable substitution here. Let x minus q is equal to y. Then this first equation will become summation y is equal to 700. So summation y is equal to 700 and the second equation will become summation y square is equal to 14235. Summation y square is equal to 14235. Now we will use here a formula of standard deviation. Formula for standard deviation is sigma y square over n minus square of mean of y whole under root. Putting the values, we get summation y square. Value of summation y square is 14235. 14235 over n. N is 50 minus y mean. We have to find the mean. We can find the mean of y. This is formula for mean. Summation y over n. Y mean will be summation y is given, that is 700. So 700 over n is 50. So this is 14. Y mean is 14. We are putting here the value of y mean. This becomes 14 square. Whole square root is equal to, after calculation we get Answer is 9.42. This is the standard deviation of y. 9.42. This is the standard deviation of y. But we have to find the standard deviation of x. The standard deviation of y will be the same as standard deviation of x. So finally we can say that standard deviation, this shows that standard deviation of x is equal to 9.42. This is the answer. Standard deviation of x and y remains the same. So, standard deviation of y is the same as standard deviation of x. Now, part B of this question is summation x is given, that is 2865. Find the value of q. Summation x is 2865. Find the value of q. Now we use the above relation. Summation x is given. Now we are taking this first equation, summation x minus q. Summation of x minus q is equal to 700. We will use this equation to find the value of q. Summation x is given 2865, but the above equation is, that is given, summation x minus q is equal to 700. Now we are using here the algebraic methods. Summation sign will be multiplied by x as well as q. So this becomes summation x minus summation q is equal to 700. Now to remove this summation sign, summation q, this term is summation q. To remove this summation sign, we will multiply by the number of observations. The number of observations are 50, so we will multiply it by 50 to remove summation sign. This becomes summation x minus 50q is equal to 700. From here we can find the value of q. Summation x is also given, that is 2865. Putting here the value of summation x, we get 2865 minus 50q is equal to 700, and from here uh, we can take the value of q, that is 43.3, correct to 3 significant figure. This is the answer.